Hello everyone, I'm Marc Larriba. I'm a psychologist and a trainer at M&M Pro Future Training. In this course, I will be covering interpersonal perception and empathetic response in virtual education, as well as how to become involved in students' emotional development. I hope you enjoy the course and see you soon.
Hello everyone, I am Gülşah Narlu. I work as a teacher trainer at M&M Pro Future Training. In this course, I will be presenting how to be an empathetic teacher in digital classrooms.
Hello, I'm Monica Moreno. I'm a pedagogue and I work in M&M as a pedagogical director. During this lesson, I'm going to introduce you the virtual empathy and how to use it during your online lessons. Are you ready?
If you want to become a more empathetic teacher in virtual settings, stick around.
Come on!
Follow us.